What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I just want to talk to you about the importance of buying right and in the right location. Behind me, you see 3 houses. You got some new construction or full gut rehab here. You got a brand new construction here, and then you got this house here. Guess which one is mine? This one. This is my house. In fact, my house is probably the ugliest house on this block, but it was an amazing investment. See, this brand new construction, which is actually the same square footage as my house, sold for $330,000. Guess how much I got my house for? I got it for $180,000 1 year ago. Put about $50,000 into it, and on top of that, this is a single family home. This is a triplex, okay? So even though my house is the ugliest property on the entire block, it is actually the most valuable property on the entire block in terms of net worth and in terms of cash flow. So you have to retrain your eyes when you are looking at investment properties. You are not buying your HGTV dream home when you're buying investment properties. You're not looking for your dream home. You're looking for a property that will pay for your dream home. Because if this family would have got this property first, then the cash flow from this property would have paid for this property free and clear. So you really have to understand the game, and it's really just about sequence. I'm not saying don't get your dream home. I'm not saying don't look at HGTV for inspiration. Excuse this car in the background. I'm not saying don't look at HGTV for inspiration. I just want you to win. And if you follow a certain sequence, there's a sequence to success. If you follow a certain sequence, you'll win. I bought in this neighborhood before these properties were getting redone, all right? And so I got this property on the low. You don't want to buy where all the 33 signs of gentrification have already occurred. You want to buy where there's typically like 10 to 15 signs of gentrification, and it's moving towards all 33, okay? One of those signs being dumpsters on the block. One of those signs being new construction and rehabs, right? These are some of the signs of gentrification. People riding bikes, walking their dogs, pushing their babies in strollers. You know what I'm talking about, right? So I just wanted to share this with you. This is the key to location. The key is location. In the same way that you buy stocks low and then you sell high, you want to buy real estate low and then you want to sell it high. But when you're buying it low, everybody might be talking about a neighborhood. They might be dogging it, right? But this is how you win. This is the name of the game. You just have to be patient. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is get-rich guaranteed over time. All right. So I hope that this blesses you. I hope this changes your process and your sequence that you're looking to build your wealth. Start with properties like this. This property will never be featured on HGTV, and I don't care, because it's not about granite countertops. It's about guaranteed cash flow. All right. If you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to find, finance, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one, not this one. All right. Much love, y'all. Peace.